Hi children, let's learn the letter B. The sound of the letter B is B, B. B for B, B, baby. B for B, B, bill. B for B, B, butterfly. B for B, B, bird. B for B, B, ball. B for B, B, bee. These words are starting with letter B. B, 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 B. So, we have to pronounce these words starting with the sound B, B. B, B, baby. B, B, bee. B, B, ball. B, B, bird. B, B, butterfly. B, B, bill. B, B, baby. Practice well, children. Thank you.